Hello. So here I am with one more joyful strategy that we can use in our classroom. Basically, this strategy we can use in our classroom when we ask students to learn answers. It's very simple. Usually, what happens when we ask students to learn answers, they feel bored and they keep on staring each other, they feel distracted, they don't find that thing interesting. So what I have tried here is I have put my tab on the desk. I have connected that tab with the speaker via Bluetooth. We can put the timer of 2 minutes, 3 minutes according to the number of questions we have asked them to learn. So here I have put the timer of 3 minutes and students will start learning answers. Screen is there in front of them, so they feel motivated or enjoy a competitive vibe among them. Now as soon as the timer rings, the time is over. Now few of the students will come forward and I have put here on my desk sketch pens for the students, marker, slips and staple. What they are supposed to do is the student will pick up a slip and she will write the number of the answers she has learnt in that time duration that I gave to them. For example, I gave them 7 answers to learn. So if the student has learned 4 answers in 3 minutes, she'll write 3 and her name below the digit. She'll take the slip and staple it on the wire that I have put on the board. I have named it the answer chain. Students will keep on doing this thing. On the same time, what I did is I restarted the timing for the students who could not learn all the answers in those 2-3 minutes that I gave to them. Now the timer rings again and few of those students will come forward. They will perform the activity in the same manner. Here you can see how beautifully students have put their slips on the board. And you won't believe it feels so interesting to students, and in overall classroom it doesn't look like I have asked them to learn answers. Next, what teacher is supposed to do is she will see among those slips like which student has learned the maximum number of answers, and she can start with that child. She'll ask questions and students will come up with the answers. Here we see students, they literally wait for their turn. That is something very opposite. When we do in very usual manner, they don't feel like to answer. Also, you can see I have asked students to write their name on a piece of paper and put that slip on their desk. For teachers, it becomes easy to call the students by their name, and also students enjoy this thing. At times what happens, as a subject teacher, if you are not the class teacher, as a subject teacher, we don't remember the name of all the students of our class. So it becomes very easy for them. So that's how a simple idea or a strategy can change the environment of our class. That is very joyful for the students and also much more productive for teachers and students. Thank you.